Now, one of the things I thought I'd show is the steaming ability of the Lelit, but it's very difficult to show something like that. I could steam a quantity of water or a quantity of milk or whatever. Really, it's tricky because it depends on the temperature of the water, the milk, the temperature you like it at. And one of the best ways, probably, is just to simply purge the water a bit, set it steaming into a big jar, and then you can jar it, you know. And I'm just going to let it steam. It's more powerful than the Lelit X next door, definitely a more powerful steamer. I'm going to have my espresso while I'm waiting. And it steams pretty dry. I mean, obviously steam is steam, and when it condenses against a jar, you're going to get some water. But we're just going to let this run. Now eventually it's going to try and refill. Now, is the steam quite as powerful as before? No, it's probably stabilised now for what the heating element can deliver. We'll see if we can see the temperature. 129. But that's still good steam pressure. 129, 130 is like 1.5 bar, 1.4 bar. It's good. You can look up 129 degrees, but that's a decent steam pressure. And it's still going. Check the temperature. Nearly, well, say 127. And I'll put a note on the video as to what that steam pressure is, but that's pretty good. Now we're going to keep letting it steam. Now this is a machine not designed for huge volumes of milk, huge volumes of coffee. It's a prosumer machine meant for sort of human being volumes of coffee, you know, small family, whatever, the occasional dinner party. And we'll see what the steam temperature is now, and that'll equate to pressure. So we're still at 126, and she's refilling. Now this is what I was waiting for. When she refills, it turns the steam boiler element off and cold water enters the boiler, and now we lose our steam pressure. Can you see we're now down to 118? But we'd have steamed an awful lot of milk during that time. The interesting thing is as well, to at least try and maintain some pressure, it actually didn't do a complete fill, did a partial fill, which I thought was clever. Probably down to water contraction. Now, in all that steaming, people talk about dry steam. That is all the water that collected. Let's get my espresso glass. And this is because of the temperature. I'm just going to, hopefully you can see, I'm going to tip it into my espresso glass, and I doubt there's not really a lot there. Now, okay, that's into a jar. The jar got hot. It didn't condense as much steam as it would have done. However, it's still pretty dry steam because it's at a very high temperature, very high pressure. It's a good steamer.